Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect gravityform to WhatsApp after form submission in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using gravityform plugin and we are going to send some custom text to WhatsApp. Now go to form. So we are in field section. On top you see setting and then you see confirmation. So click on it. And then you see default confirmation, so click on edit. Now confirmation setting open and then you see text, page, redirect. Now select redirect and then you see redirect URL. So we are going to add WhatsApp URL here with the number and some custom text. Now go to notepad. So this is our format. So in WhatsApp URL you can add your number with country code and then you see question mark text is equal to. So this is our custom message, hello %20 space WhatsApp. So we again added %20 space and then you see gravityform. So you can add your custom message here. Now copy this back to form. Now paste. So you can add your number with country code and custom message, and in WhatsApp URL if you want you can add your field data. So click on save confirmation. Now setting updated, and in upcoming video we are going to send gravityform field data to WhatsApp. Now go to gravityform, refresh the page. So now we are going to fill this form. So we edit some text and then you see submit button, so click on it. Now you see redirect to WhatsApp and then you see custom message, hello WhatsApp gravityform, and then you see space. So for space we added %20 in URL, so you can add custom message according to your requirement. So in upcoming video we are going to send gravityform field data to WhatsApp, and you will find this URL in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.